Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. In today's video I will share with you an art journal video, and I think this is the first time, this is the first time when I upload a video about art journaling, although it's not the first piece I made. And this will be a beautiful colorful page. I love the result. For making the background I used blue, yellow and green inks and brushes, but you will see that it's not the easiest to cover this size of sheet of paper with this technique. So lately I will use all kind of techniques to cover the page to have a vivid and brilliant color. So after making the background, I cut out the pieces which will be the walls of the houses. These are solid papers, but I use some stencils and stamps to make them patterned. The roofs of the houses are intentionally irregular to make it feel like it's from a fairy tale. During my artwork, I like to keep the tiny pieces, and as you can see in this tin box, I have a lot of little paper, so I can use them to making the windows and the doors. In the greenhouse, you can see there is a window which is heart-shaped, so I used a puncher to cut it out. When I'm ready with the blocks, I glue them together with liquid glue. To making the background more vivid, as I mentioned in the beginning, I had to use other painting techniques, so I decided to use water-based paint with a sponge. I have this cute paper with air balloons and clouds, so I fussy cut out some pieces. It is as colorful as the house is, so it fits absolutely perfect. I used Mod Podge during the whole process, which works very well, but as a result it makes the pages sticky after the drying, so I had to use a little wax over the entire surface. To make shades around the object, I use brush pen, and because the whole surface was covered with Mod Podge, I can smudge easily. The next step is to have a black fine liner and the white gel pen and make some highlighting. During my card making process, I always have leftover pieces. I storage them in plastic boxes, and this was a good occasion to use them. Now the sentiment is coming, which says live life in color. It means two things to me. One, that life is colorful, we have plenty of options, we have a choice. And in the other meaning, that I think that colors have a meaning, they affect our mood. What do you think about the end result? It makes me feel really good. I hope it was uplifting for you too to watch this colorful fairy tale world unfold. Thank you so much for being here. See you next time in my next video. Goodbye.